not one of us.
Today's webcast is about Jasper's hair.
Got unparalleled senses, absolutely lethal.
Jasper's hair,
if you can call it hair,
looks like a bird's nest.
it does.
Now, KAELA is probably going to kill us for saying this, but for picking on Jasper, but we can't get over it. It's true. And it's funny.
If you're wondering what this actually is on my head, it's my little sister's Hannah Montana wig.
Oh.
Yes, in a household with 6 children running about,
Wait.
Hannah Montana wigs do this pretty quickly. And it's been sitting on the stairs for like 3 weeks. And so I decided to have some fun with it the other day.
Fun. Yeah.
I know how Rosalie feels.
Did you get food in it?
Maybe.
Since I lost my toy bird, I don't know where it went, we're going to be using Jacob, aka my eye dog.
My eye dog has spots on it.
Mine doesn't. Ha. And I have an eye pup. Wherever it
Is that the McDonald's toy? Or is that like actually something real?
It is actually...
Okay, back on subject.
Back
we're
on subject.
talking about
Yes.
this.
Tweet! Wait. Tweet! I can fly. Oh, I need to...
So this is where all those eggs that Bella ate during Breaking Dawn came from. They hatched from Jasper's head.
Huh.
So while we're making fun of Jasper, I decided to do a little inside the mind of Jasper. Because we all know there's Bella's point of view, and then there's Midnight Sun, Edward's point of view. No one really cares about Jasper, except KAELA. So, it's like being in a room with a bunch of chocolate cakes. And then in the middle, there's a giant silk French chocolate cake, and it smells so good. But no, you're not allowed to eat it, because your brother doesn't want you to. Ugh! I like my blood warm.
In
Conclusion.
hot chocolate is good.
I like my blood warm.
Okay, now I'm gonna wait half a second. So.
In conclusion.
No, Audrey, not yet.
Why not? I thought that's what you said.
No, I was supposed to be in, and then your conclusion. Then we said at the same time, hot chocolate is good.
Could have made that more straightforward.
I said that before. Oh. Still rolling.
Yeah.
Do a little test run. Okay, so practice. In
Conclusion.
hot chocolate is good. No, we're supposed to say it at the same time. Remember?
Okay.
Should we just say in conclusion, hot chocolate is good at the same
No,
time?
let's try to do it one more time.
Okay, in
Conclusion. Hot chocolate is good. Oh! My nose. Dude, that's nasty. Ew.
This is why we practice. Oh god. Okay. In
Conclusion.
hot chocolate is good.
Oh, no. Oh, God. How many times does it take to flip a wig the right way?
We almost had it. Oh my god.